How to log in to Milestone Gold MasterCard. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Milestone Gold MasterCard. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Milestone Credit Card Login and further tap on the milestonegoldcard.com link. You will then be led to the official webpage of Milestone. Tap on the My Account option you see there on the top right of your screen and further you will be led to the login portal of Milestone. So go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your username and your password, and tap on the login button, and with this you will be successfully signed in to Milestone. Just in case if you have forgotten your login credentials, then tap on the Forgot Your Username or Password option and recover your login credentials and log in further. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then tap on the Register Your Account option you see there and follow the on-screen prompts to further create your account. So, this is how you can log in to Milestone Gold MasterCard. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.